Welcome to this comprehensive guide on centralized logging in Kubernetes. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to implement a robust logging solution using the EFK Stack, which consists of three powerful components: Elasticsearch, Fluentd, and Kibana. Together, these tools provide a complete system for collecting, storing, and visualizing logs from your Kubernetes cluster. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how each component works and how they integrate seamlessly to create a production-ready logging infrastructure. In Kubernetes environments, logging presents unique challenges that make centralized solutions essential. First, pods are distributed across multiple nodes, which means your logs are scattered throughout the cluster. Second, Kubernetes pods are ephemeral by nature. When a pod restarts or terminates, its logs disappear unless they're stored externally. Third, troubleshooting issues across microservices becomes extremely difficult when you have to manually check logs on different nodes and containers. Finally, you need a unified monitoring view to perform meaningful analysis and gain insights into your application's behavior. Centralized logging solves all these challenges by collecting logs from all sources into a single, searchable location. There are two popular logging stacks available: ELK and EFK. The ELK stack uses Logstash as its log collection component, while EFK uses Fluentd. Both stacks use the same Elasticsearch for storage and Kibana for visualization. The key difference lies in the log collector. Logstash is feature-rich but resource-intensive, requiring significant memory, and CPU. Fluentd, on the other hand, is lightweight and specifically designed for cloud-native environments. Its smaller footprint makes it ideal for running as a DaemonSet in Kubernetes, where it needs to operate on every node without consuming excessive resources. For Kubernetes deployments, EFK is the preferred choice due to its efficiency. Elasticsearch is a distributed search and analytics engine that forms the storage backbone of the EFK stack. It has three primary functions. First, it stores and indexes all your logs, providing full-text search capabilities that allow you to quickly find specific entries. Second, Elasticsearch offers near real-time indexing and query performance, meaning logs become searchable almost immediately after they're ingested. Third, it's horizontally scalable through sharding and replication. This means as your log volume grows, you can add more Elasticsearch nodes to handle the increased load while maintaining high availability through data replication across nodes. Fluentd serves as the unified logging layer in the EFK stack, acting as the data collector and processor. It performs three critical functions. First, Fluentd collects logs from multiple sources across your entire Kubernetes cluster, including application logs, system logs, and Kubernetes component logs. Second, it parses and filters these logs, transforming them into a structured format and enriching them with additional metadata like pod names, namespaces, and labels. Third, Fluentd is designed as a lightweight agent with a low memory footprint. This efficiency makes it perfect for deployment as a DaemonSet in Kubernetes, where it runs on every node without significantly impacting system performance. Kibana is the visualization and analytics interface for the EFK stack, providing a powerful web-based tool to interact with your log data. It offers three main capabilities. First, Kibana enables you to create rich visualizations like charts, graphs, and custom dashboards that provide insights into your application's behavior and system health. Second, it provides log exploration features, allowing you to search and analyze logs using powerful query languages to quickly find what you're looking for. Third, Kibana serves as a user-friendly web interface that makes it easy for both developers and operators to interact with the data stored in Elasticsearch without needing to write complex queries manually. Understanding the EFK Architecture Flow is crucial for implementing the stack correctly. The data flows through four stages. First, your Kubernetes pods generate logs as they run. These logs are written to standard output and stored on the node's file system. Second, Fluentd agents running on each node collect these logs and parse them according to configured rules. Third, the parsed and enriched logs are forwarded to Elasticsearch, where they're indexed and stored in a structured, searchable format. Finally, users access Kibana's web interface to visualize, search, and analyze the logs stored in Elasticsearch. This pipeline ensures that all log data flows seamlessly from generation to visualization. Fluentd is deployed in Kubernetes using a DaemonSet resource. A DaemonSet ensures that one Fluentd pod runs on every node in your cluster. This is crucial because logs are generated locally on each node, and having a Fluentd instance on every node enables efficient log collection without network overhead. The DaemonSet is typically deployed in the kubesystem namespace, which is reserved for cluster infrastructure components. When you specify the kind as DaemonSet and provide appropriate labels, Kubernetes automatically manages the Fluentd pods, ensuring they're present on all nodes, including any new ones that join the cluster later. Elasticsearch is deployed using a StatefulSet, which is specifically designed for stateful applications that require persistent storage. Unlike regular deployments, StatefulSets provide stable, unique identities for each pod. This is essential for Elasticsearch because each node in the cluster needs to maintain its own persistent storage and network identity. The StatefulSet typically runs 3 replicas for high availability. Each Elasticsearch pod gets its own persistent volume claim through volume claim templates, ensuring that even if a pod restarts, it reconnects to the same storage volume. This guarantees data persistence and prevents log loss during pod failures or rescheduling. Kibana is deployed as a standard Kubernetes deployment since it's a stateless application that doesn't require persistent storage. The deployment typically runs a single replica, though you can scale it for high availability if needed. The most important configuration is the ELASTICSERCH_HOSDS environment variable, which tells Kibana how to connect to the Elasticsearch cluster. In this example, it points to a service named Elasticsearch on port 9200. To make Kibana accessible to users, you expose it through a Kubernetes service or ingress resource, allowing external access to the web interface on port 5601. Fluentd's behavior is controlled through configuration files typically stored in a config map. The configuration uses a tag-based system with source and match directives. The source section defines where Fluentd collects logs from. In this example, the type tail monitors log files in the /var/log/containers directory, where Kubernetes stores container logs. The format is set to JSON since Kubernetes logs are structured in JSON format. The match section defines where logs should be forwarded. Here, the type is set to Elasticsearch, specifying that all logs matching any tag should be sent to the Elasticsearch host on port 9200. This config map is mounted into the Fluentd pods as a volume. Implementing the EFK Stack in Kubernetes provides 4 major benefits. First, you get a centralized view of all your logs through a single interface, eliminating the need to SSH into individual nodes or pods. Second, the stack provides real-time analysis capabilities with instant log indexing and search, allowing you to quickly identify and respond to issues as they occur. Third, the solution is highly scalable and can efficiently handle growing log volumes by adding more Elasticsearch nodes and adjusting Fluentd configurations. Finally, logs are stored persistently beyond the pod lifecycle, ensuring you retain historical data for troubleshooting, auditing, and compliance purposes even after pods are terminated or restarted. This makes the EFK Stack an essential tool for production Kubernetes environments.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.